just in the face of unfair circumstances. True when the world's values contradict my own. Gracious when things don't go my way, and mechanics indeed. May nothing else matter, except faith in your goodness, my neighbors and mine. Hope that things can get better, and charity that always sets things right. May your special love for the poor, the mark of my unique ascension education, be the work I excel in, the standard I constantly refer to, and my courage when it is someday. With Mary, our Mother, and Saint Vincent de Paul.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, so I'm teacher Ted, and today, we're going to watch a video muna. So, watch kayo. Paano makita niyo? Are you familiar with the nursery rhyme Five Little Monkeys?
Yes.
I do. Jump is okay, so again, our topic will be about
Advance ata kayo.
I'm so proud. Our topic today is about action words. So, do you have any idea what an action word is? Okay, so action words. Oh my God. Action words are words that show movement or actions. For example, all of you are sitting. Sit is an example of an action word. Do you get it now? Or do you want some more examples? Okay. Right now, I'm walking. So walking is an example of an action word. An action word nga, it shows movements or actions. Anything that a person, an animal is doing, that's an example of an action word. For example, you're writing. Write is an example of an action word because the person is writing. The person is doing the action. Or for example, a dog is barking. Bark is the action word because that's what the dog is doing. Do you get it na?
Yes.
I'm going to ask you to pick a peka. It's only 6 pieces. Take one piece. Don't look at it, ah. Don't look at it yet. No, don't look at it. Bawal tingnan. Medyo tingnan. Tayo ba din ang tingnan? Okay, kuha. Isa pa. Ito na, wow. Okay, so all of you who got the papers, please come forward.
Asan pa?
Yes, single file. Single file. Single file. Alam mo English? Ay, pala.
Ganda naman ang item. Ang dami ng item. May patay.
Okay, so who wants to be the first?
Teacher.
Kapag matobi?
Lloyd.
Sige siya na lang. Okay, so ganito. Magtatagalog ako. Every one of them got pieces of paper na may nakasulat na action word. So their task is to act the action word that they got. So ang first natin is Lloyd. Lloyd. Okay, so take it please. Jumping. Okay, jumping. Unahan pa yung ginagawa niya. Okay, sa akin yung next sa kanya. Next, lady.
Clapping. Of course.
Okay, thank you.
Meron pa. Si Kali. Idol.
Jojo on the beat.
Thank you. So, ngayon, kailangan ko lang 3 tao. Who wants to volunteer? Ito po.
Monica!
Okay, class, please raise your hand. I need 3 students.
Kimuel. Teacher.
Alex and Janet. No,
Gagawin tayo eh.
Sister! Jojo on the beat.
Ano pa naman ako? Joke lang.
We have different
presentation.
Wait lang. Advance. Okay. So, so silang tatlo, nandun sila ngayon sa lab. Para, di ba ito, may mga nakakalat na words. Yung mga words na yan, kukunin nilang tatlo lahat ng action words, tapos ilalagay nila dito. Dito. So, yan, sa action words. So, ayun. Okay, go.
Sa mga magkalala yung girl.
English major ba yan? English major ba yan?
Fransya ng friend ko. Chelos ka na. Yung may.
Ano ba yung narinig sa video ng Chelo Series?
Sumali ka lang siya.
Okay, thank you. You can now sit down.
Panahon natin.
Okay, so let's check if the words that they repeat is correct. So, first, beautiful. Is beautiful an action word? Yes! Who says yes?
But I'm doing it. I'm beautifuling.
So, who says beautiful is an action word?
No, it's
Bakit kanina may nag-yes? Ba't kayo wala? Okay, who says no?
me.
Me.
Ma'am ka.
How about the rest? Where are you?
They
You
don't
don't know what it is?
Alam ko lang adjective.
Beautiful is not an action word. This is another kind of word. It is a describing word. Adjective. Throw. Is throw an action word? Yes. Can you demonstrate how it's done? Throw. Okay. Sit. Is it an action word? Yes. Okay, sige, ginagawa niyo naman eh. Run. Is it an action word? Yes. Yes. Bring. Is it an action word? Yes. Yes. Tapangan. Tapangan. Who says yes? You're wrong. Now, brave is joke lang. Brave is an example again of an adjective.
That's me.
Hard maging teacher.
Sing. Is sing an
You're
action
wrong.
word?
Yes.
Can you sing one song? No. Okay. Walk. Is walk an action word? Yes. Ride. Is it? Yes. Sing. Yes. Fast. No. Jump. Yes. Jump. Yes. Draw. Yes. Dance. Yes. Okay. Okay, very good. Wow. Uy, hindi ka wrong. Tama. Ibang word. So, meron kayo dalang mga coloring materials? Yes. Yes. Meron po. Okay, so, may bibigay ako sa inyong activity sheets. Then, anong colors ng ball pen meron kayo? Okay, so, ang gagawin nyo, yung lahat ng action words dyan, anuhan nyo na lang, ano ba? I-check nyo na lang lahat ng action words using your black ball pens. Tapos, lahat ng hindi action words, lagyan nyo ng X using your red ball pens. Okay? Okay. Ha? One more. Lahat ng action words, i-check nyo using black ball pens. And then, lahat ng hindi action words, i-X nyo using red ball pens. Grade 2 pa lang. Sige.
Happy birthday.
Class, do you have any questions? Regarding the topic or regarding the activity? Ha? Wala? None. Objective
Dapat ko na, pagkakita ka sa video.
ang libre. Wala akong makakonsentrate. Dapat malito yung hawak sa Meron pa? Wala na? Okay na? Okay, so before we end the class, iwan ko lang yung assignment nyo. Assignment nyo is gumawa kayo ng scrapbook. Simple lang, wait lang. Simple scrapbook lang with 10 action words. Pwede nyo lagyan ng pictures kung paano gawin yung action word. Pwede nyo lagyan ng glitters, design. Tapos, it will be passed next week. Okay? Ha? So, yun. Assignment again, gagawa kayo ng scrapbook. Lagyan nyo ng 10 action words yun. Tapos, bawat action word, you can put pictures of how it's done. Tapos, lagyan nyo ng glitters, lagyan nyo ng paper, shape, ganun. Okay? Yes. Tapos, ang pinakamaganda na scrapbook will be displayed sa classroom natin. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay? Okay, thank you.